Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Jumping right into this video, we'll start off with the ball cap. I'm pretty sure that you guys already know the deal with the ball cap. I'm just putting on a stocking cap. I cut out my ears and then I put some Got2b spray on my hairline so the cap can stick. Now I'm putting some foundation so the cap can be the same color as my skin tone and cutting off the excess cap, okay? So if you guys watched my previous video, you'll know that I've been trying out the Hair by Erica J adhesive plus the skin guard. That was what I just put on my hairline right now. And also this hair that I'll be installing today is from West Kiss Hair. This is their 30-inch straight wig, 200 density. This wig is very, very thick. And right now, I'm just cutting off the ear tabs so the wig can lay nice and flat, and then we're going to begin to apply the glue. But yeah guys, like I said, I've been trying out this Hair by Erica J Hold Me Down adhesive, and I like it so far. It's been pretty good. It holds my wig down super good. It's a nice little hold, you know. And sorry if my voice is sounding a little dull. It's like 3 o'clock in the morning and my sleeping routine is so messed up because of this quarantine and stuff, this crazy stuff that's going on right now. But guys, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I have a new setup. I've been rearranging my room because, like I said, we're on quarantine and I don't have nothing else to do. So I rearranged my room. I don't know if this setup is permanent yet, but this is something just temporarily. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about it. So now I think I'm on about the second layer of glue. I always do at least 3 layers of glue because I always like my wigs to have a super strong hold. But you don't have to. You can do 1 layer, you can do 2 layers. It's really up to you. I really appreciate how clear this glue dries. Like right now it's looking all white and stuff. But then sis, in a matter of seconds, boom, it is super, super clear. So I would say before I actually press the lace inside the glue, I just place it to make sure that's where it is. That's where I want it to be. And then I press it and blow dry it in, because sis, once you press that lace in that glue, that's it. It's stuck. Y'all, I cut myself so mad with the razor comb cutting the lace, so make sure y'all be very careful. But now we're moving into the baby hairs, and of course baby hairs is always optional, but I always want to do baby hairs. That's my thing. So before I do my baby hairs, I take my elastic band and press down where the hair that I'm going to use for the baby hairs, just so it can already be like flattened and to be easy for me to sculpt the baby hairs. And now I'm taking my hot comb and pressing out the roots of my part and my hairline, and we're going to cut the baby hairs. And the shorter the baby hairs, the more natural they look. For this hair to be a 200 density, it gets super flat and super silky. Like, I just had to just press out my part and stuff with my hot comb. And if you guys notice, I moved back to the electric hot comb. I'm not using the stove hot comb anymore because it just gets too freaking hot, and the electric one works pretty good, like the same way. So yeah, just going back in with the flat iron. Like I said, this hair is getting so silky, like bone straight. It didn't give me any problems. Like, I love this hair. And the concealer that I'm putting in my part is LA Girl Fawn Concealer. And I always do this just so my part can be super neat and straight. And here is the final look. Look at this silky hair. Like, look at that shine, that sheen. Like, y'all can't tell me nothing. This is like my first 30-inch wig, and I'm just so in love with it, guys. Like, just watch this thing move. Okay guys, this is the final look of the hair. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I want to thank West Kids Hair again for sending me over this 30-inch wig. All the information on this hair will be down below in the description box. And while you're down there, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Also hit that thumbs up button. I love you all like always, and I see you in my next video.